I will check Jan, the one with the lyrics. Welcome to my channel, Jan from Amna. Thank you so much, guys. Please like and subscribe for those who are new. God bless you all. I'm driving around in my car. I was watching tuna and pasta. Thank you, Jan. Thank you so much. Actually, pasta, guys. If you don't know how to cook, then maybe you don't know about that. That some pasta, most of the pasta, or maybe not all, especially for the white sauce, chef is adding anchovy paste on that. So anchovy is made of fish as well. That's with the anchovy paste. They are using anchovy paste with that one. I wonder how, I wonder Pasta is favorite for kids. No, it's not only for kids. That's my favorite food as well. I love pasta and pizza. So it doesn't mean that pasta only favorite for kids. It doesn't mean that I'm still a kid. I'm already old, sis. Jan got a fresh haircut. Yes, Jan, how's your haircut, Jan? Dario ko, ako sayang bunda. Sorry, I cannot understand your comment. Means what? I've just searched YouTube, Jan. Yes, I recognize him now. Lol, no more to give. I think Simon, you missed my email address. I send my email address there so that you can send my email. You can send me email. I will drop it again for you, Simon. Pasta is really nice, guys. But sometimes it depends to my mood also. I want sometimes white sauce, I want mixed sauce, or I want the red sauce. So any. It depends to my mood. Okay, Simon. I thought you didn't get it. Then I will drop it again. Boo is from US, is Amna. He is also my brother here. Have Simon with us in Telegram? Not yet, Yosef, not yet. That's why I told him to send me email so that I can add him in Telegram. I buy most nor pasta sides. That's a cook, or I think it's instant, Jan, right? I think the one you bought is instant. I just keep mine all cut off so I don't have to worry about. Yes, Boo, you are right, Boo. If I'm just a man, I don't care if I'm bald, you know. But I'm a lady, so I don't know, guys, if how I look like I'm a lady and I'm bald. If I'm a man, it's okay. I don't care. I'm a kind of person I don't care anything, like I don't care about my beauty. I don't care about my like this. I buy most more. Kids like to eat pasta, macaroni, and all Chinese food. Bald-headed. Yes, Boo. If I'm a man, if I'm a guy, I don't care if I'm bald. But I'm a woman, so Adrian, hello, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Just add water and some milk and microwave. But I think it's also nice, Jan. It's nice. It's ready to cook. It will not